50 years ago, humanity left Earth to walk on another world. But how did we achieve what seemed impossible? This is the incredible story of our journey to the moon, a story of ambition, ingenuity, and the enduring human spirit. It all began in the heat of the Cold War. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite. It was a wake-up call for America. Space wasn't just a dream anymore. It was a battlefield for global prestige. Then in 1961, President John F. Kennedy made a bold promise. We choose to go to the moon. The challenge wasn't just monumental. It was unprecedented. Could humanity conquer the vastness of space to set foot on another world? Reaching the moon meant solving problems no one had ever faced. How do you navigate nearly 400,000 kilometers of empty space? How do you land on a surface you've never seen up close? And most importantly, how do you bring the astronauts home safely? Engineers began designing the Saturn V rocket, a towering 363-foot marvel of science, capable of generating 7.5 million pounds of thrust to break free of Earth's gravity. NASA's Apollo program was a series of steps, each one bringing us closer to the moon. Apollo 7 tested the spacecraft in Earth's orbit. Apollo 8 achieved the first crewed orbit of the moon, capturing the iconic Earthrise photograph. A moment that reminded us all how small and interconnected our planet truly is. Finally, Apollo 11 was ready. On July 16, 1969, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins launched aboard the Saturn V. 4 days later, on July 20th, the world held its breath as Armstrong descended the lunar module ladder and declared, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Humanity had done the impossible. But the Apollo program wasn't just about technical achievements. It united people. For a brief moment, the entire world looked up and felt a shared sense of wonder. Apollo inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. Its legacy paved the way for modern space exploration, from the International Space Station to Mars rovers. Now, over 50 years later, we're preparing to return to the moon. NASA's Artemis program plans to land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface by 2025, establishing a sustainable base camp. This isn't just about exploration anymore. It's about learning to live and work in space, paving the way for human missions to Mars and beyond. The moon was our first step into the cosmos, but it won't be our last. As we look to the stars, the possibilities for humanity seem limitless. What do you think lies ahead for space exploration? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're as fascinated by the moon as we are, check out the links in the description to learn more about the Apollo program and NASA's Artemis mission. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future episodes about space exploration, Mars missions, and beyond. And if you're ready to go deeper into the cosmos, watch our next video linked on screen now. The moon was our beginning, but the journey is far from over.